you done, boys? What have you done on this bike?
All right, so Alex, a good customer of ours, wanted a bike black as his soul or black as the abyss, he said. So that was the cues that we got, and he wanted a West Coast style chopper, so stretched out and up, which we've done. George, drivetrain, what do we do?
Engine is an S&S side weight 80 cubic inch with a Jim's Fat 5 transmission and a BDL 2-inch belt and BDL clutch. So
yeah, exactly. And then electronics wise, we're running all Motor Gadget.
Motor Gadget M unit with an M button, Kellerman turn signals, and an anti-gravity lithium battery.
Yeah. A villain tank that has been narrowed. We've got a exhaust that Panda made for us. It's stainless steel, Cerakoted black with some race springs on them. Then we've got contrast cut Ultima wheels, Roland Sands headlight, bare knuckle pullback risers, sissy bar made by, again, Panda, because Alex wants to be able to stick stuff on his fender and sissy bar. Side mount license plate. Yeah, just about everything you want on a West Coast chopper. I think he'll be happy.
I hope so, don't you?
We're not going to take it apart again.
No, we're right. Better see what goes now, haven't we?
Yeah, let's give it a try.
Right, fingers crossed, eh?
Yep.